Hey everyone, welcome back to Sheyi Dairo channel. Today I'm diving into an exciting new project that combines two things we all know about in crypto space: meme coins and passive income. What if I told you there is a platform where you can stake your favorite meme coins in a single vault and earn massive rewards? That is exactly what Crypto All Stars is offering. And in this video, I'll give you a full breakdown of the project, the presale detail, how to buy, and potential opportunity it offers. If you are passionate about crypto and want to stay updated with honest reviews, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell. Let's get into it. So let's start this way. What is Crypto All Star? This is the website interface, and as you can see from here now, they have over 655,000 monthly visits from United States, followed by Switzerland, Germany, France, and Spain. This is the world's first unified staking platform specifically designed for meme coins. It's like a meme coin central hub where you can stake popular meme, token life Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, PEP, and more, all under one roof. The standout feature here is the Star token, which powers the entire ecosystem. Even coming to the FAQ here now, we can see that Crypto All Stars is the ultimate meme coin project, uniting the top meme coins worldwide: PEP, Dogecoin, Floki, Mog, Milady, Bread, Turbo, and more, under one umbrella. This is the meme coin event of the century. You can know more about this now. I will drop the link to this. Just check the pinned comment or description to this video so that you can also follow along. Holders of Star tokens are rewarded not only for staking but also for holding. The more stars you own, the more you can earn. Talk about passive income. Now let's talk about the presale. The first stage in the Crypto All Stars global domination plan is the presale and staking. Here, lucky early buyers secure the Stars token and start earning insane gains while our international marketing machine starts running and we prepare for the meme void ecosystem launch. And as we all can see from here, Crypto All Stars has already raised over $5 million. I hope you guys are seeing it. Over $5 million, which is impressive for a project like this. During the pre-sale phase, you can buy Stars token at a discounted price using BNB, USDT, or even your credit card. And as you can see from here, you can buy with card, you can even buy with crypto here. Just click on this, any of these buttons. The process is straightforward. You connect your wallet, choose the payment option that suits you, and you're in. So I can click from here now. Let me click on buy with card. Now look at the option given us here: connect wallet, that is wallet connect, best wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase, and you can also use this one by clicking on I don't have a wallet. Clicking here will help you automatically to sign up and get your wallet through their recommendation. That is the best wallet app, and this is easier if you are using your mobile phone to access this. You can also click here now, buy with crypto. Now when you click on this, also it will connect you with this and you can easily navigate and follow it up. If you don't have account with any of these, you can also click on I don't have a wallet and they will connect you to have one immediately. But here is the thing: the presale isn't just about buying. If you stake during the presale phase, you can earn up to 538% annual reward. Yes, you heard that right. This kind of opportunity doesn't come around often, so it's worth checking out. The roadmap for Crypto All Star is equally exciting. After the presale ends, the project plans to officially launch the Star token and unlock the meme vault. These vaults will allow holders from all over the world to stake their tokens and earn massive reward. The team behind Crypto All Stars is aiming for global adoption by uniting investors from all major meme coins into one ecosystem. The tokenomics are also well structured. Come here now, let me show you. Click on this tokenomics. Now you can see from here the specific breakdown of how the Stars token supply is allocated is detailed below. 20% of the token go to presale, 25% is allocated for presale staking, 20% is dedicated for marketing efforts, 10% is for liquidity pools on centralized and decentralized exchange. I hope you guys seen it. The remaining 20% is reserved for the meme vault ecosystem. This allocation shows a strong focus on rewarding the community and ensuring liquidity for the token's long-term success. Now let's take a moment to talk about staking. Welcome to Crypto All-Star Staking. The meme vault is designed to be revolutionary. It allows multiple meme coins to be staked on a single platform, bringing together some of the biggest names in the meme coin space. Imagine staking Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, PEP, and many more in one place and any stars token as reward. That's a game changer for meme coin community. Currently, the supported include Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, PEP, Altcoin, Turbo, Floki, and several others. This cross-chain integration is ambitious, but if executed well, it could be a huge success. Now, let's address the risks. As with any crypto project, especially in the meme coin category, there is always an element of uncertainty. I like to treat Presale like a scratch-off ticket. You invest what you are comfortable losing, and if it pumps, great. If it doesn't, you've already managed your expectation. Finally, let's talk about frequently asked questions. We can get it from here. Number one, what is Crypto All Stars? I have explained this one for you guys. What is meme vault? Meme vault is a revolutionary staking contract developed by Crypto All Stars that allows all the top meme coins to be staked on a single platform. This brings the entire crypto space together as the stars holder. How does star staking work? During the pre-sale, all star purchase can be staked immediately, enabling you to start any rewards at a dynamic APY before the rest of the world join in. Check the current APY for an idea of how substantial your rewards could be. Pre-sale buyers have a significant advantage. So there are many things you can learn from here. I'll put the link in the comment section. I'll pin it there or description to this video. This will actually help you to see FAQ, that is frequently asked questions. You can also go through which meme coin can be staked in the meme vault. How do I buy all stars in pre-sale? When can I claim my stars? Okay, like this one now. Once the pre-sale phase has ended, you will be able to claim your stars token from the Crypto All Stars website. Should you invest in Crypto All Stars? That depends on your risk tolerance and investment strategy. If you love meme coins and are looking for an innovative way to earn passive income, this could be worth exploring. Just remember to do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you are interested, just check the pinned comments or description to this video. I have put the link there for you. Just click it. That is it for today, guys. What do you think about Crypto All Stars and their meme vault? Let me know in the comments below. Please do not forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more crypto contents. Until next time, stay curious, stay invested, and stay tuned for Sheyi Dairo.